Hello and welcome to Free World Investing. Today we're going to be going over Bollinger Band widths. Bollinger Band width is just an indicator that shows the width of the top Bollinger Band and the bottom Bollinger Band. In other words, it's a measurement from this point to this point. And you could use other Bollinger Band indicator to get the full Bollinger Band just on oscillators pretty much. I'll show you that really fast. And that'd be the Bollinger Band's percentage B, where 50 is the midpoint, and that's the median of here. With these two together, you have all of the Bollinger Band information entirely. But with this, you just use the measurements when it's a low volatility. When it reaches a really low volatility, you can expect more drastic movements and more volatility within that movement. So when you're trading with this, it's a good time to jump in on a trade like before a big trade happens. And when you're doing that, you could use where it is within a Bollinger Band or an RSI, or whatever you want to use to find where it might have a reversal of the trend, or where you might want to use it to continue a trend. It really depends on where the market is. But using the Bollinger Band width is a good way to determine when there's going to be large movements in the market, because really this is a measure of volatility. The top bands are used as measurements of volatility. It's a standard deviation across from the middle line and the volatility within the movement from the middle line. So the top and bottom is just two standard deviations from the moving average of 20. And this just pretty much shows how much volatility from that movement there is. So you can see whenever it closes down, like here's a good one, close down, then boom, big movement down, close down, boom, big movement up, close down, boom, big movements. It was kind of sideways, but still pretty big movements. Then boom, huge movement, then boom, decent size movement, then boom, decent size movement. But I mean, I feel like you understand and get the point. But that's pretty much how it's used, and you can use that along with this. If you're using a moving average, like I said, you can use whatever way you want to do to continue with the trend or to go against the trend. It really matters what other indicators you're using with Bollinger Bands width. It's really good to use with Bollinger Bands with another indicator, considering it has no real show of where the trend is going, and it has no price movements within it. It's really just a measure of volatility and when volatile moments might come. So it's really not good to use it by itself, but it is good to use with other indicators. Well, that's going to be all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and definitely check out some other videos that I have posted, and stay tuned for more. Y'all have a great day.